Igbo jingles with Oidia. If you are new to this channel, this is Igbo Jingles with Oidia, and this is the third part of we learning the Igbo alphabet. In Igbo, we say Nkaba Nkato. So, if you are new to this channel, this is where we learn how to speak, how to read, and even how to write the Igbo language. And we are starting off by laying the foundation, which is the alphabet in every language. So, if you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are coming back, you are most welcome as well. So, see you in class. So, today we are going to start with the letter Me. In English, it is M. But in Igbo language, it is Me. Another one is Ne. Ne. Nonye. See? Nonye, meaning be with me. So, there's another tricky one. It looks like an N. That is the Ne in Igbo, but it has a dot on the top. And it's pronounced as Nge, Angara, Angore. Angara is the garden egg. Angore is joy. Then we have those ones that comes in double. Mwe, Chinwe means God is owner. Chinwendo, God is owner of life. God owns life. Let me look for Inweregini. What do you have? So, mwe. Another one is a combination of N and Y in English. And it's pronounced as Nye. This is Mwe and this is Nye. Chinyere. Chinyere means God's gift. God's, not God gift. Onyinyechi is God's gift, and it's also from here. Onyinyechi is God's gift. Chinyere is God gave. So O is still O in English and in Igbo. Then we have another one that has another O that is quite different because it has a dot on the bottom. So when you hear O, so O, P. And the last but not the least today is Re, which is R in English. It is Re in Igbo. So this is where we are going to end today's lesson on Igbo jingles with Oidia. But before we wrap up today, let's do a recap of what we did today, which is Me, Ne, Nge, Mwe, Nye, O, P, Re, and that's where we are going to end today's lesson. Remember to keep practicing and keep practicing and keep practicing, and see you again on Igbo Jingles with Oidia. Don't forget to subscribe and recommend this page to your friends and family. See you Igbo Jingles with Oidia.